Here's how I made the robot reveal parts of its body as the target gets close using the ProximityFlow add-on. Start by preparing the object you want to apply the effect to, then add a UV sphere and place it close to the object. Press N to open the sidebar and find the ProximityFlow panel. Select your object first, then select the sphere and press Generate New Layer. The proximity relationship is now active. If your object does not have enough geometry, add subdivisions from the Mesh Density section. In the Proximity Masking section, click Add Mask and adjust the threshold to control the sharpness of the edge. In the Proximity Layer section, adjust the influence distance. The larger the value, the wider the area that gets revealed. Now move your sphere and watch the revealing effect follow it in real time. Press Invert to switch between revealing and dissolving. Press Smooth to soften the edges for a more organic look. Increase the influence distance further and you can create a full object reveal effect. To animate the masking, click the keyframe icon in the distance field. Move to a later frame. Increase the distance until the object disappears and click the keyframe icon again to lock the animation. Play the timeline to view the result. Perfect for teleportation animations, magical materializations, or sci-fi assembly sequences. This is just one of the effects ProximityFlow has to offer. Enjoy!